In this video, I will show you how to fix ChatGPT image editing not working. Let's get started. First, I go to the upper right corner and click on the 3 vertical dots. From the drop-down menu, I hover over Extensions and click on Manage Extensions. I check my active extensions here, and since nothing seems to conflict, I go back to the ChatGPT tab. Next, I click on the Site Settings icon right next to the URL bar. I select Cookies and Site Data, then click on Manage on Device Site Data. I see the listed cookies and click the trash bin icon next to OpenAI.com to delete them, then click Done. Since it prompts a reload, I instead click on the Site Settings icon again and choose Site Settings. This opens a new Settings tab where I click the Delete Data button under Usage. I confirm by clicking Delete in the pop-up. Now, I head back to the ChatGPT tab and click on the Reload button at the top. The page refreshes, and I click Log In to sign back into my account. I continue with my Google account, wait for the verification to complete, and now I am back on the main dashboard. To test if the image editing feature is working again, I click on the Attachment Plus icon in the message bar and select Add Photos and Files. I browse my downloads, select an image, and click Open to upload it. Once uploaded, I type a prompt in the message bar asking ChatGPT to change only the dress color to red while keeping the background, lighting, and pose exactly the same. I hit Enter to send the request. I watch as ChatGPT analyzes the image and starts creating the new version. The process goes through different stages like sketching it out, making the first draft, setting the scene, polishing details, finishing up, and adding final touches. Finally, the new image appears on the screen. I click on it to expand and review the edits. I can see the dress color has successfully changed to red, and everything is now functioning perfectly. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.